I've been craving ice cream for a while now, and I don't want to buy the unhealthy, commercially produced one. So when I couldn't control my cravings anymore, yesterday I had to go and get some ingredients to make a healthy and diabetic friendly one. So for the purpose of this video, I will be showing my before blood sugar reading before I had this ice cream and 2 hours later, so you can see the results for yourself. So for this recipe to make our ice cream, we will be needing just 4 ingredients, 4 to 5 ingredients. The fifth ingredient is actually optional. You can decide to use it, and then you can decide to just leave it out. This is a video you want to circulate. I feel free to like it at this moment and share within your circle so that a lot of people, diabetic Nigerians, can actually benefits from it. Once you learn how to make this recipe, you are not going to turn back. You won't even go to the store to use your hard-earned money to buy expensive, unhealthy ones again. Okay, so let's get right into the video. So for this recipe, we'll be needing 2 cups. I made use of 2 cups of coconut cream. You can either make your coconut cream at home, extract it from the coconut by yourself by blending it, or you buy the one that they've already produced. But if you are buying the one in the supermarket, make sure you go for unsweetened coconut milk, coconut cream. Make sure you go for unsweetened type. Then I also made use of 1 tablespoon of a low carb sweetener. In this case, I used stevia as my low carb sweetener. Then I made use of 1 teaspoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. Then I added a teaspoon of black coffee also. So just gather all these 4 ingredients, mix everything together. Then lastly, this is optional. I added unsweetened chocolate chips as a topping for it. So you can leave it out like I said earlier, then you can also include it. So after mixing all these ingredients together, then you want to place it in your fridge for at least 4 hours. Place it in the freezer for at least 4 hours. You can place it overnight also. Then if you are short on time, place it for at least 4 hours. And after that, this is what we have. So look at it, just like ice cream, you won't be able to tell the difference. And like I promised, I will be sharing my blood sugar reading. So this was my before blood sugar reading before I had the ice cream, and this was my after blood sugar reading. You can see for yourself. This is a type of ice cream that won't spike your blood sugar at all. So enough of the punishment, enough of depriving yourself. Start making this from now